Yeah.
I'm filming.
Ah, you recording?
How you doing? So, this is my bike check. And
Me and Gower's new bike check.
Churchill, the cunters, just behind the camera. Yeah, by the way, yeah. These are lacy bars. Rise you the kind of shit. I got a Salt Plus stem until I got a volume frame. It's kind of pretty dented and bent. I got Federal 2020 forks. Yeah. I got a Primo in 4 flanges harb on a Odyssey spokes on an Eclat tripping rim, and yeah.
What about your tyres?
I've got an Eclat tyre. Yeah. I've got Stay Strong seat and hello. Stay Strong seat. Yeah. Pretty annoying.
What about your bottom bracket?
Bottom bracket? It's a bottom bracket. Oh yeah, I've got
Yep.
an Eclat sprocket, man. I don't know what chain that is. What chain is it?
Gusset, I think.
Is it Gusset? I swear no, it's YBN actually. It's YBN on illegal cranks.
Yeah.
And Primo pedals. And some my mate's well called Sam Faggot. Joking. Just joking, Sam. Yeah, some Will, I don't know what it is. Yeah. Oh, ODI grips. I advise you, they're the best grips. And yeah. This is Bill. This is Bill. You love him, don't you? Yeah, you want a bit of that. Okay, that's it.